Everyone, welcome to LanguageArts with 3M. And today we are here to read a story that look at a story that I wrote. Hydroman and the Magnificent Maiden Maricharm. So this is the map. The map helps us plan what we are going to write in the story. Map Hydroman. He is a strong, muscular man with blue skin and diamond green gauntlets. This thing describes us what Hydroman does. Can lift a 100-storied mansion from one hand. This shows that he is very strong. And he can blow freezing icy cold air from his mouth, which could freeze enemies to death. This shows that he is very powerful. He lives in the depths of the ocean and helps to save Maricharm from the sharks. This shows what happens in the story. So let's go on to the story. We have used similes, metaphors, and alliteration. Hydroman was a strong, muscular, and mighty man. This is rule of three. I think you don't know that because rule of three we have described Hydroman using three words: high, strong, muscular, and mighty. He lived in Hydropolis and had an azure blue skin and wore diamond green gauntlets. He was so strong that he could lift a 100-storied mansion with one hand. This whole paragraph describes what Hydroman does and who he is. It introduces Hydroman to the reader. Also, he can blow freezing icy cold air from his mouth, which could freeze enemies to death. Also, he lives in the depths of the ocean. Maricharm was a magnificent maiden who was swimming far away in the seas, far away from safety. Maricharm was swimming in a place that was a million miles far from Hydropolis. Little did she know that she was very close to danger. This paragraph introduces Maricharm to the reader. Million miles as alliteration, that's why I have changed the font color to red there. MI and MI, million miles. Let's go to the next paragraph. From the dark shadows of the seas rose half a dozen scared sharks with teeth as sharp as broken glass. They circled Maricharm, getting ready to gobble her up. Maricharm was frightened and hollered at the sight of these menacing monsters. Hollered is another word for screaming, and sharks with teeth as sharp as broken glass is similes because it compares the shark's teeth to be as sharp as broken glass by using the word as. If I use like also, it's the same thing. So it's similar. Hydroman who could hear like a cat. There's another simile here because I have used like to compare Hydroman's hearing to that of a cat's. Heard this beautiful maiden's cry for help. Hydroman was a flash of lightning. This is a This is a metaphor as I have highlighted it in green, and because I have compared Hydroman speed to a flash of lightning without using the words as or like. He dashed at the evil creatures and banged them with his strong fists and freezed them to death by blowing freezing icy cold air from his mouth. He lifted Maricharm and took her back to Hydropolis, where they lived happily ever after. The end. So the simile that who could hear like a cat shows that Hydroman can hear as sharp as a cat, and also this metaphor shows that Hydroman was a flash of lightning. So it is a happy ending. It was a happy ending. You can put a sad ending for a story as well. It differs according to your preference. So thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe, like, and share this among your friends, and comment about this video and tell us about it. And also, please hit the subscribe button. Please like. Bye. See you in our next video.